guys, welcome back to Ron's Rides, welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to another video where here we are, finally, the Alfa Romeo Refresh 2020 interior has been released. It debuted in China. We didn't know it was gonna come in China. Now, we're not mad about that. I mean, I know I'm not, but we thought that it was gonna be at the LA Auto Show next Monday. So this is a treat. But hey, it's here. We got pictures all over the place, and I posted this on my social media first, and I wasn't gonna make a video about it because I was gonna wait until the release at the LA Auto Show, but I figured you guys are gonna see this all over the place. You're gonna see this on my social media, you're gonna see it from other people, and you're gonna wonder why I didn't post anything here. Or for the people who don't follow me on social media yet and didn't get the inside scoop, I had to take care of you guys. So here it is, guys. The 2020 Alfa Romeo Giulia and the 2020 Alfa Romeo Stelvio with the updated interiors. The models get the 8.8-inch touchscreen. They get the upgraded infotainment system, which is now a touchscreen, Wi-Fi hotspot, over-the-air software updates. It has an emergency call function, call assistance function, everything like that. You also get with the multimedia system new smartphone features, so Alfa Romeo is getting very techy. You'll get stuff like the unlock light and flash. You'll be able to determine if the vehicle is stolen by its location. You'll be able to do the remote control lock from the app. It's really cool. I mean, this is what we've been waiting for, so we finally get to see it. Hopefully you guys are enjoying these pictures so far. You can see the different steering wheel, which we've seen in the shots before. You can see the different shift knob with the leather, perforated leather around it, the Italian flag. I mean, it looks so good. I'm really, really excited about this. And you guys notice, these are not quadrifoglio models. The biggest thing that you'll take away from this is that the steering wheel start-stop button is red. Now that was very special because the quadrifoglio models were the only ones who got the red start-stop button. Now you get them on the Stelvios and Giulias that are not quadrifoglio models. Not sure if that takes away from the specialness of the quadrifoglio, but it is nice to see. So you see that pop of color for the buttons there. Now, you're still getting the same exteriors for the most part. I believe the Stelvio will have a body match rear diffuser on some models. We aren't too specific on which models that is, but we've seen it in the shots before on my social media. But same 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, same ZF transmission, same torque figures, everything like that. So we will see it at the LA Auto Show, and maybe we'll get different models, maybe we'll get more information. But for right now, we get to see what the interiors look like. So I want to know what you guys think about these updated, refreshed interiors for the Giulia and Stelvio. The new steering wheel with the perforated leather on the sides and the red start-stop button, new shift knob with the perforated leather, the new button layout. You also have the new touch screen, 8.8-inch screen. I mean, it's nice, subtle things that everybody wanted from Alfa Romeo. So I think you guys will be pleased, but let me know down in the comments below what you're thinking about the new interiors. Now, with that said, if you guys enjoyed the video today, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Giving it a thumbs up helps get the video up in the rankings. More people can see it, and we can have a bigger discussion on the new 2020 Alfa Romeo Stelvio and Giulia interiors. Now, with that said, also check the links down below. I do have a one-time donation through PayPal in case you guys want to donate $1 or $2 to the channel. Your support means a lot. Now, you can also check out the Patreon subscription or the Ron's Rides merch. Get a sticker, t-shirt, get hoodies, whatever you're thinking. I got the Ron's Rides merch down there for you, and social media. All right, I posted these on my social media already. So if you're not following, make sure you follow Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, follow it all. Now, with that said, you guys be blessed, drive safe, subscribe for more Ron's Rides videos, and click that notification bell so you can get these straight to your inbox. We will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rides video. Be blessed, and we'll see you then. Peace.